Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making a quick cabbage recipe. Now the first thing we're going to do is shred up the cabbage. Now once that's done and you wash it and everything's good, I'm using coconut oil for this dish because I just love the taste of coconut anything in my recipe then. So yeah, I didn't have any onions, so this is shallots chopped up. So yeah, you're gonna go ahead with some chopped onions, then you're gonna saute that for a few minutes, then add your cabbage. Now depending on what you're putting in this cabbage, some people just put a little carrot, some people put a little okra. Me, I like to add a little mixed veg because I like my cabbage to have a little pop of color. Then I'm also gonna add some mixed peppers and just give that a good little mix. Now I'm giving this a good mix. Just the onions is at the bottom of the pot, just to make sure the onions is just distributed all throughout. Now I'm also gonna add about 1.5 teaspoons of this vegetable mix. I just love the taste it gives to my veg. I'm gonna give this another mix, then I'm gonna add a few knobs of butter, then I'm gonna cover this and just let it steam for about 10 to 12 minutes on a really low heat. I'm also gonna add about 1/4 cup of water. This just helps with the steaming process. This is after about 8 minutes. I'm just gonna give it another good mix because the cabbage at the bottom of the pot will start to wilt a lot quicker than the one at the top. So just by giving this a good mix, you're just making sure that the cabbage is cooked evenly all throughout. Then I'm just going to cover this and leave it for another few minutes and the cabbage should be ready. Now this is completely optional, but I do like to go in it a pinch of say mixed herbs. And after this time, your cabbage is ready. This cooks so quickly. I like my cabbage to have a little bit of bite to it, not too soggy, so this is just perfect timing for me. But if you want to do it a little bit longer, go ahead. Now I serve this up with some curry chicken, some steamed jasmine rice, and it was just a really good meal. Guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thank you once again so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.